Hi, my name is Pete, and alkaline water has truly changed my life. You see, several years ago, I was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome. I was devastated, helpless, overweight, sick with diabetes, and very dependent on chemical medications, high blood pressure, you name it. I had it all. I was scared, dealt with high levels of anxiety, afraid I was gonna die, and not see my 3 daughters graduate high school, college, or even get married. Fear led me to desperation, and desperation led me to taking massive action to a better, healthy lifestyle. Alkaline water was the staple to get my health back in line. It gave me high levels of energy. It balanced out my pH levels. Slowly but surely, I eliminated all my medications and lost 100+ pounds and got my life back. Alkaline water has truly changed my life, and trust me, you will not regret making the change. So today I want to tell you, say no to an acidic body and start your journey to a better healthy body and grow your wealth along the way with an unbelievable business opportunity as well.